The incredible power of Black Cohosh, Actea racemosa. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Black Cohosh. This remarkable plant has been used for centuries by various cultures for a myriad of purposes. So buckle up and join me as we uncover the amazing uses, the intriguing cultural significance, and the latest scientific research on this powerful herb. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. Let's get started. Black Cohosh is a perennial plant native to eastern North America. It's a member of the buttercup family, and it's characterized by its tall, branching stems and white, feathery flowers. This plant has a long history of use by Native American tribes who valued it for its medicinal properties. The uses of Black Cohosh are quite diverse, from treating menopausal symptoms to relieving inflammation and pain. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's dig deeper into the fascinating history and uses of Black Cohosh. Native Americans have been using Black Cohosh for centuries. Some of the most common traditional uses include treating gynecological issues, such as menstrual cramps and menopause symptoms. The tribes also used it to alleviate pain from arthritis, headaches, and sore throats. Interestingly, some Native American cultures believed that Black Cohosh had powerful spiritual properties, and they used it in rituals and ceremonies for protection and purification. In the 19th century, European settlers in North America learned about the plant and its uses from Native Americans. They started using it for similar purposes and even introduced it back to Europe, where it became a popular natural remedy for various ailments. Over time, its use has spread to different parts of the world, and it remains a popular herbal supplement today. One of the most well-known uses of Black Cohosh is for the relief of menopausal symptoms. Women have been using it to help with hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and other discomforts associated with menopause. The exact mechanism of action is still not fully understood, but some research suggests that Black Cohosh might have an estrogen-like effect on the body, which could help to alleviate these symptoms. Black Cohosh has been used to treat a variety of other health issues as well. Some of these include 1. Inflammation and pain relief. Black Cohosh has natural anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular choice for treating conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. 2. Anxiety and depression. Some studies have suggested that Black Cohosh may help to alleviate anxiety and depression, although more research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness. 3. Sleep aid. Black Cohosh has been used as a natural sleep aid for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep disturbances. Beyond its medicinal uses, Black Cohosh has played a significant role in the cultural practices of various communities. For example, the Iraqis tribe believed that the plant could ward off evil spirits, and they used it in spiritual cleansing rituals. The Cherokee, on the other hand, used it as an ingredient in their sacred black drink, a ceremonial beverage consumed for purification and spiritual renewal. In modern times, Black Cohosh has become a popular ingredient in alternative medicine and herbal remedies, and it has gained a following among those who seek natural treatments for various health concerns. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in Black Cohosh's potential therapeutic effects. Numerous scientific studies have been conducted to better understand its properties and potential benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, the scientific community is still working to fully understand its mechanism of action and validate its efficiency. For example, a 2012 review of clinical trials found that Black Cohosh may be effective in reducing menopausal symptoms, but the authors called for more rigorous studies to confirm these findings. Similarly, research on its potential anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and mood-enhancing properties has shown promise, but more research is needed to fully understand and validate these effects. While Black Cohosh is generally considered safe when used appropriately, it's essential to remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may experience side effects like gastrointestinal upset, headaches, or rashes. Additionally, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of Black Cohosh, let's take a look at some interesting facts about this fascinating plant. 1. Black Cohosh is sometimes called snake root because Native Americans believed it could help treat snake bites. 2. The name Cohosh comes from the Algonquin word koshki, which means rough, a reference to the plant's rough, gnarly roots. 3. Black Cohosh has a long flowering period, typically lasting from June to September, and its flowers have a strong, sweet smell that attracts insects like bees and butterflies. There you have it, our deep dive into the incredible world of Black Cohosh. We've explored its diverse uses, cultural significance, and the latest scientific research on this powerful plant. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time! If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content on herbs, natural remedies, and more. Click on the suggested videos on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.